Imagine a world where machines could tell us when they need maintenance before they even break down. Welcome to the era of predictive maintenance, where cutting-edge technology combines with data-driven insights to revolutionize how we keep our equipment running smoothly. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of predictive maintenance, uncovering its hidden powers and exploring how it's reshaping industries. Get ready to witness the magic that keeps the wheels turning and the engines running. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the latest advancements in technology. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of predictive maintenance. In this video, we'll unravel the secrets behind this revolutionary approach that allows us to proactively maintain machines and prevent costly breakdowns. Get ready to witness the power of predictive maintenance as we unlock a new era of efficiency and reliability. Predictive maintenance is a proactive maintenance strategy that uses data analysis, machine learning, and IoT sensors to predict when machines or equipment are likely to fail. By continuously monitoring their condition, analyzing historical data, and detecting anomalies in real time, predictive maintenance empowers us to take corrective actions before a breakdown occurs. Benefits of predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance offers numerous benefits that revolutionize maintenance practices across industries. 1. Enhanced equipment reliability. By identifying potential issues early on, predictive maintenance minimizes unexpected breakdowns, maximizing the overall reliability of machines. 2. Cost savings. Preventive maintenance can be costly, but with predictive maintenance, resources are allocated efficiently, reducing unnecessary maintenance tasks and lowering expenses. 3. Increased efficiency. Downtime is minimized as maintenance activities are scheduled strategically, reducing disruptions to operations and optimizing productivity. 4. Improved safety. Predictive maintenance ensures that machines are kept in optimal condition, reducing the risk of accidents and ensuring a safer working environment. Real-world example. Imagine a wind turbine farm. By implementing predictive maintenance, operators can monitor key parameters such as temperature, vibration, and power output in real time. Advanced algorithms analyze this data, predicting potential failures and generating alerts. With this foresight, maintenance teams can take proactive measures, preventing costly breakdowns and optimizing energy production. Industry applications. Predictive maintenance finds applications in various industries. Manufacturing. Predicting equipment failures and optimizing maintenance schedules to minimize production downtime. Transportation. Preventing unplanned maintenance in vehicles, reducing service disruptions and improving fleet efficiency. Healthcare. Monitoring medical equipment to ensure reliable operation and prevent unexpected failures during critical procedures. Predictive maintenance is reshaping the way we maintain and manage machines. By harnessing the power of data and advanced analytics, we can predict and prevent failures, saving time, money, and resources. From wind turbines to manufacturing plants and healthcare facilities, predictive maintenance is revolutionizing industries, ensuring smooth operations and enhancing reliability. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest technological advancements. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.